Hello, my name is Lindsay and I'm a property manager with Chesapeake Property Management. Today I want to share with you how we handle repairs. Our system ensures that repairs are done correctly, are fairly priced, and handled quickly. Using this system can save you money and protect the value of your home. When the tenants submit maintenance through a 24-hour system tenant portal, the first step is always getting more information. We call and ask questions to help troubleshoot the issue, as many items can be addressed with basic quick fixes. For example, making sure the power is on, resetting a GFI outlet, or using a zip-it tool to unclog a drain full of hair. By taking the time to get more information, we can determine if hiring a vendor is truly necessary. If we determine it's not a quick fix, the repair is then escalated to the licensed and insured professional to diagnose and complete the repair. Instead of hiring in-house staff, we choose to work with companies that have many years' experience in their specific field and that are knowledgeable and trustworthy. Using reputable licensed vendors will not always be the cheapest option, but we expect all repairs to be done correctly the first time and at a fair and competitive price. And we do not mark up those invoices. Chesapeake Property Management strives to coordinate repairs quickly and efficiently with vendors that we know, like, and trust, and ensuring the property continues to be well cared for. For more information on the systems we have in place to protect your home, please check out our website at chesapeakepropertymanagement.com.